Hey, it's Vanessa, Canadian Plant Mama, and I did some rearranging. I cleaned off a shelf and put plants in it. And this vlog is going to be about that and showing you my little mini greenhouse upstairs. So, let's get into it. Hey guys, so I put together my greenhouse from IKEA, and I am just about to put some plants inside. So far I got a begonia maculata that I had to reroot. Got my escargot, my hydrometer, and I want to put this one in here too. It keeps dropping leaves out of nowhere, and I think it will benefit from being in here. Hopefully it will fit. But yeah, so I will take some clips as I go along and hopefully let you see the process of how I'm going to decorate my little mini greenhouse. So I put this little silver sword, has 2 new growth points, leaves coming. Beautiful. Love it. So I'm going to put that in here. Right there. And my little baby gloriosum. So pretty. Put that in here. These 2 in there. Put my baby African musk. I propagated and it's doing great. I put my little jewel orchid in here. Has 2 babies. And then I want to put something else, but like I don't know what. My Peru cutting. And there's 2 little babies down there maybe. Let's try it. Okay, so I think I'm done for now. I just put my other baby African mask, Amazonica, whatever, and then a silvery N that I propagated from wet stick. So there it is. It's currently at 52 and 26.7 degrees Celsius. So it's looking good. I like it. Just organizing. I don't think I've showed you guys, but I moved my room around. And I got my black shelf in my closet. Moved the Amazon lights in there. It's the 4-pack. And then here I'm using just the Noma lights. Here. But yeah, everything's doing great. Growing like crazy. Burgundy pushing out new growth. We got Pink Princess pushing out new growth. A little baby leaf on my Raffy. And lots of new leaves coming. I love it. It's awesome. Another one right here, a Gleonema. But yeah, so I changed that all around. Putting some plants downstairs. And I'm thinking about moving the cactus ones downstairs because I cleared off a shelf down there for them, and I will show you once I'm done moving them down there. Okay. So I moved plants out of my closet, I guess out of here, just a couple. And here I took the most. And here. Also, I took my thing of lithops down. I'll probably put more down. I'm just deciding on what to move. So, thank you. Final product. Ooh. Okay, so here is my shelf. I kind of did like a under the sea type theme down here in my living room. I got this mermaid tail. Excuse me. Devil's spine, pilea, a little cactus I'm growing. This one I find looks like a seaweed, starfish, colors, some color. This one's fuzzy, it's panda. And this one. So yeah, I have a under the sea theme shelf now. And that's what I've been working on. I have a couple more I want to do, but we'll get there. Anyways, have a good night. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Vlogmas. I'm going to try and put out content every 3 days during the week, hopefully. And if I want to, I will try and do every day. But I'm a mom of a baby and a 9-year-old, so we'll see. But stick around, watch, like, comment, all the works.